Good morning. I have a screen, an image for taking a break, but I see I need to reset it every time. Okay. Yeah, this will do. All right, let's read this ticket. I'm gonna put the email and the company chat in separate windows because that's private. I'm gonna make sure that this is public also. Yes, it is. Okay, so that's fine. Only make publish status selectable when a number of checkboxes have been ticked. You want to be able to select publish status. Field checks have been ticked. Makes sense given I am on a dataset form. Okay, so let's run this project first of all. Okay, yes, sure. From the dataset form, when all the following checkboxes are ticked, files have been transferred to the public repo. DOI has been minted. Second ICE check have been performed. What is this? Then I select publish. Given I am on dataset form, when someone or none of the following checkboxes are ticked. Then I cannot. Okay. Yeah, it's the same. Did you repeat the same thing twice? Okay. This image takes ages to generate. Let's see what's happening here. Ah, there you go. This images look pretty nice. They look a bit. They don't look video gaming enough. This, for example, this looks really barren. Looks like there's nothing here. Anyway. Okay, done. So let's go to the admin panel. And if I go to any of the datasets, which is not published, okay, so maybe this one, it doesn't really matter. So what it's telling me is that files have been transferred to the public repo. I don't think images show, files. I don't think files show up here. Let's go to through the admin process. I need, yeah, let's go through the admin process, but I'm gonna need to build the project. So watch, cat watch view. Hello, why? Yeah, cat watch view dot sh. What? I'm so... What do you mean there is no such file? Ah, wait, of course, because this is another branch. For that file, I would need to go to another branch, which is, let's see, 16. This one, okay. This one. I just need to run this script. Wait. Yeah, wait. Well, actually, install. I need to run. This one is the one I need to run. Okay. And I should... Nah, it's okay. This is gonna be kind of broken now. So I should run... I should run the less... This one. Now it's gonna look like before. And let's do the thing. Okay, go back. Go here, click here. It should work, yes. Send. And now we log in as user, maybe in another browser. Oops, what? I upload some files. Let's let's upload another one. Next. This is whatever. Wait. Oh, I didn't upload the file. Sure. Okay. Need to click upload. And we click here. Select something. Here puts whatever. And then complete and return. Let's add some attributes. Yeah, well, yeah, whatever. No, that's not that attribute actually. Let's click here. And I completed this. I'm supposed to go to the admin panel and click here. Then we do... How was that? I'm not sure how the process continues from here, honestly. So let's check it out. I think there was a kind of map. It's gonna be faster to check. Here, I think. Let's download this file. Control Shift S. Okay. Let's put it here. Okay, yeah, here. So, oh my god, how do I? This is so annoying that the spacebar doesn't let me scroll things. How can I? How to scroll? Oh, okay. But not to the side. Oh my, this is so bad. Not to the side, only. Huh? Wait. I'm. Stop. Stop. What? Okay. Oh, wait a second. Okay, I can hold the middle mouse to do that. Perfect. Now I can increase the size. FTP box. Click there. Send the. Cannot increase more the size. That's so. This is so bad. This viewer is so bad. Another application. Maybe I should try just Chrome. Maybe. Let's see. Yeah, this is not good because if I do this, what? Okay. What the hell is happening here? What? But this is quite terrible. Cannot really scroll properly. Okay, so oh my god, this is so bad. Ubuntu PDF viewer. This page looks really old. So get this. This is a tar. How to untar? How to install tar.xz. tar.xf. Okay. And then what? Zatura 05. Let's see. Then we have here. Let's take a look. README. How do I install this thing? Meson. Meson. Is this Meson? Really? No, come on, man. I don't want to install another tool just to install. I need to install an installer which I've never heard before, and then I have to install Ninja, the new command. Come on, man, I just don't want to do all this. Can I just do this? No. Installation. Yeah. What is this Meson, man? I just I don't want to install this thing. I don't want to install this thing. Maybe this one. You just want a reader. Let's go here. It's operative system. Hello. Okay. You kidding me? How much space you need for a small program that reads PDFs? Oh, okay, man. At some point, at this point, maybe you should just watch the video. Let's take some rough notes. So I'm a bit sick, I'm sorry. My nose is a bit not great. Go to admin, go here. Wait, what did he do here? Change status to submitted? Wait, I'm missing things here. Click there. Okay, so I just need to look at that if I can. Is it finished installing? Yes, it is. So can I now open this thing with Adobe? Just what is going on here? Did I install Adobe or what? This is very recent. This is basically the same thing I run, I think. Yes. Enable. Okay. Probably enabled already, I imagine. Oh, maybe I need to run these scripts, these commands, sure. Install prerequisites. So great, man. To install so much crap just to read a PDF. Huh? We downloaded something? Oh, this is just downloaded the package. Yeah, okay. What is this crap? This just downloaded something. Yeah, see, it just downloaded this. This is so ridiculous. Sudo dpkg. Huh? Oh, I see. Okay, now this is gonna work for sure. Yep. And if this doesn't let me zoom in properly, then I am annoyed. Does it open or what? Okay, okay. Cannot zoom in or admin dataset. After files moved, curator set dataset status to author. Author green light. Creator set dataset status to private. What about submitted? Sorry, not submitted, but what a crap, man! What a crap. Published. Oops. Yes, I am a bit sick indeed. Is there like a published? Published? There is no published. Okay, so let's actually go to the website. Help. I think it's in. Well, let's go here to help. It's not any of this. Guidelines, I think. Yeah. Publish. Curator upload metadata to GigaDB and generate dataset page. Of data. What about the files? There are no files. Data. Yeah, these are the files. The data. I actually feel a bit sick. And my head hurts a little bit. I got 2 vaccines yesterday. The shoulder, the arm where I got the vaccines hurts a little bit. Okay, so I got the gist of it. I think this is gonna take a few hours because I'm not sure what are the how are the dependencies working together in there. So yeah, but I don't need the estimation. This should be work on top of latest of you know what, I should merge all this work into one thing, otherwise I'm getting this complicated. work on top of, let's actually add the branch name here. Oh, hold on. I created another PR yesterday, right? Yeah, this one. This is on work on top of another branch. Wait, let me check because I'm not sure now. Yeah, this is standalone. Yep. This is 1696. Okay, yes, perfect. Yeah, I'm not at my best today, that's for sure. I'm not at my best. My head hurts a little bit, just a tiny little bit, and I feel a bit drowsy. And I'm a tiny bit sick. I either have a cold or something like that. But I honestly think it's the vaccines from yesterday. I think it's probably normal to feel slightly sick after getting a vaccine. Okay, so let's do the thing, man. Let's do the thing. What do I have to do? I have get rid of this and actually go to the. Oh, this is done. No. This is number 1696. 1696. This is done. Then we have these other issues. Fair assessment. What is this thing? Okay. Fair fix style layout. I think this one is the one that contains all these tickets. Yes. This needs to merge. Yeah, so needs all changes. So that if it needs all change, if it needs all changes, yeah, you know what? It's easier. I have this. So this is a list of branches that were created sequentially. I branch this from develop, then I work. I branch from the previous one, these branches from the previous branch, and so on. So this is the tip of a list of feature branches, which are not too big each. And then we have this, which follows the same logic, and this follows the same logic. So I want to unify all these into one work branch. The next work branch is gonna merge it's gonna merge this branch, and this branch. Yes. Yeah, so basically I'm gonna take this branch and merge this and this, so I incorporate all changes. Otherwise, this is gonna be impossible. It's gonna be impossible. I am not a super huge fan of doing this way. I would prefer to branch everything from develop, but that would be a mistake in this project. Just because every PR takes 2 weeks to be accepted and merged. So I would never get the changes from the other PR. This wouldn't work. It would be a mess. Merge conflicts would be a total mess, a nightmare. So I'm not gonna do that. So basically, what I need to do is create feature branch which has all the changes. Yep. And let's finish adding these tickets here. I'm not sure I should be adding these tickets. I mean, sure, I keep track of what is done and what is not, but kind of a bit of a waste of time maybe. So we added this one. No, we added this one. Loads, yes. And then we have this one. Needs all changes, yes. Need to add the ticket numbers. Oops. Yes. Only make the publish status, sure. And then there is this one, fix cross-browser issues. Yes, no, this is not what I want. And then we do this. Yes. Must. Well, not explicitly. Let's remove this label because it's not explicit that they must be done. They kind of must be done. This needs all changes. So that would be audit basically. Okay, so yeah. Let's work the next branch from the sneeze. No sneeze, okay. Yeah, definitely sick. Okay, so this is done. This is wait a second. Done or waiting. Everything is done or waiting. Yeah. So the next one is this one. 1697. 1697. Close this. I'm gonna grab this. So text to kebab case. And this. Copy this thing. Put it here. And this is the branch name. And then I'm gonna go let's put it aside. Let's go here. And I need to go to the last branch, which is indeed this one. Yes, okay. So fix Yep. Okay, and then now, first of all, I need to stash. No, I can just discard. This is already stashed. I need to merge. Merge this branch. If there's someone there is one viewer. Yes. If you know, I think there is one viewer. If you know a better way to do this, I would love to know. I thought about this for some time. I spent like a couple hours thinking about what's the best way to handle the Git flow in this situation. Rebasing branches into one another leads to a cleaner Git history, but also if you predict there's gonna be a lot of merge conflicts, rebasing can be really annoying. And if you know you may have to be in the situation that you have to solve the same merge conflicts over and over and over, rebase can be really annoying really quickly. It can be time consuming also. So in these situations, just merging the branches leads to a Git history which is a bit dirty, but it's much easier to handle in terms of merge conflicts. Is there something like Excalidraw or something like that? Excalidraw. Or there's something called Eraser. Eraser is one. Hello, login. Huh? What happened here? Okay. Let's create a new file. What you say here? 3 of 5. Git flow. So we have how does it work? We have let's make balls. So we have this develop branch, so to say. Or let's keep it simple naming main branch. We have this main. From this I create a feature branch. Okay, don't make it. Let's hide this aside. How do I hide this thing? Okay. Fit A. So we can have, I should have here something like this. This is the main, and this is the feature. Oops, wow, what? Sorry, what? This is feature A, and then maybe we create here feature C, feature B. Let's put it inside. Okay. And these have changes that depend on each other. And I don't like these arrows. This some changes on B need some stuff on A. So actually this will not work. You have to branch B. Oh my god. You have to branch B from A. Okay. And then someone else is maybe working on some features here. Maybe someone else added this thing. Or that's maybe C. So B is now A plus B. So now someone reviews this PR, merges A. This needs to be fix merge conflicts. Or maybe need to do rebase of this fix merge conflicts. Actually, this is the issue. This is not an issue actually. Maybe I need to rebase from develop before merging. Sorry, rebase from main. Yes, and then yeah, and then we merge or rebase into main. Okay, and then we have this feature B, but this feature is actually A plus B. So we're gonna be asked to do also this thing again. But this is repeated work because I'll have to fix the same merge conflicts than here. And you know, we have two branches here. That's not too bad. But if we have this, then that sucks. Because we need to do the same. We need to fix the same merge conflicts many times. And if PR merged once every 2 weeks, we will not even be able to remember exactly how we fix this merge conflict. So this is gonna be a total mess. So what's the solution I came out with? We have this. We create a feature branch A. We work on it. This is main. We create a feature branch B. Huh? Then and another one. Okay, come on. That would be C. And so on. And we always work on the tip. We don't fork from main. We don't do that. Actually, I did not a good job explaining this. I noticed. So you can actually ignore this. You can actually ignore this. This is what I'm doing. And then yeah, we do this rebase, well, merge just. And that means that the merge conflicts fixed here will be passed down here. This will have the merge conflicts solved, and we only have to merge the conflicts from B, not from A, if that makes sense. Okay, let's move on anyway. I did not really do a good job explaining that. I did a terrible job explaining that. This is the next thing I want to do, and as I said, I branch from this other branch. Wait, what? I did not branch. Oh, because I just stashed. Come on, man. I just stashed. Let's pick this thing. I would swear I review API file. I would swear I created the branch, but I didn't apparently. So let's do that. Didn't I type fix here? I'm dreaming. Now we are in this branch. And we are 1697, yes. Now we're gonna merge this branch and this branch, so we have a BS3, BS4 branched from unified changes branched from this and merged 1696 and 1613. Yes. So that's what I'm gonna do. 1696. Let's check. Let's check one thing, which is gonna go. We're gonna go. We are here already, and we're gonna run a little script I have. Project status develop. Whatever. This is telling me develop is up to date with upstream develop. Okay, so I think no changes to merge from develop, which is our main branch. And we're gonna merge. Hold on, can I just go do it from here? Changes, pull, push, fetch branch, merge. Yeah. 169. Wait, 96? What? Yeah. Sure. Increase the size a little bit. I'm completely forgetting about the changelog, but completely. Let's add the changelog to all of them to make sure, because I'm forgetting about that. Git, now let's do abort z, hold on, abort, git merge abort, yes, abort the merging, abort. Now let's make sure, publish branch, yes. Let's make sure all the branches have changelog, because otherwise it's gonna be a pain later. So let's go to, these all have changelog, I'm pretty sure. I think this one has changelog. Hold on, wait a second. Let me copy this branch name. This is actually the link to the PR, but it's whatever. Oops. This is the branch, which is fine. 1697 is the ticket number. And we then have, does this have a merge changelog? Let's check. changelog 1618. It does have a changelog, correct? Does this have a changelog? I'm pretty sure it doesn't. Nope. So fix this 1696. Let's go and take a look at the pull request. It's basically gonna be the name of the pull request or something like that. This is not very specific, so in admin dataset page. Yeah. How is this a color? Not sure. It's funny. I'm gonna take a quick break. Okay, so we are back. So I added this changelog here. Chore update changelog. Seeing the changes, and then let's check that this has a changelog. Probably it does. 1613, yes it does. Okay, so now let's go back to this one. Now we're gonna do git, gonna merge this one. So let's do branch merge this one. Yes. Resolve all this. So I think I'm going to have this afterwards. So this is gonna come first. Accept combination current first. Yes. Yes, yes, like this. Why not? Okay. Let's is there something wrong here? No. Let's go back here because this is a bit messed up. Let's remove this. Wait, why? Why is there a 0 here? Okay. Yes, that looks good. Then we have these merge conflicts. I renamed this thing and I added some spacing here. I see resolve in merge editor. What exactly did I do here? Should keep this, but file types, attributes. Why is there a merge conflict here? Accept current. What is the... Wait, what is happening here? Accept current, and the change here, what did I even change? I think there is like a... something here I changed? Like, what is that? This is not a space. Anyway, let's accept this one because this is the correct one. Let's accept this one. Complete merge. Yeah. Okay. So many changes here, man. Okay. Will this chore merge? Yes. I'm out with this. Am I missing something here? No, all the changes are included. So let's commit and sync. Yes. And then I'm gonna merge the other one, which is this one. Let's merge this one. branch merge that. This. Let's solve them. There are merge conflicts. Sure, I know there are merge conflicts. Accept combination, current first. Yeah, that's what I'll do. With merge, let's take a look at this file. Yeah, this looks okay. We do chore, merge, blah blah blah. Yes, easy peasy. Easy peasy. Now I have a branch which contains all the changes which I already wrote here. Okay, so I need to work branch future work from here. Yeah. Well, let's work in this branch then. Why do I end up with so much things open? Let's trash. I'm so disappointed with this Adobe thing. Maybe I have to restart the computer. I don't know. I'm gonna have to. First of all, let's go read the ticket. And again, this is not here. Let's put this thing somewhere else. 1697. 1697. 97. Why is it working? It's not. Hold on. This is not work in progress. If I go to the upload files process, which means I need to trigger it from the admin panel. It's number 4. Yes, this is the fix that I need. Then I also need to be running the, well, I need to run this. And I also need to run npm ins this, basically. So let's go here now. Let's refresh this. Go here, and then I'm here. And let's close this thing. And here, let's see. Here we are in the authorize upload files. Exactly, that's the thing. That's the place where I want to be. And so let's start fixing. That's quite a lot. I think this is gonna take me at least today. At least the entire day today. So my arm with the vaccines still hurt quite a lot when I touch it. If I'm not doing anything with this, it's okay, but when I touch it, it hurts quite a lot. I'm going to, before I start working on this, I'm gonna take a short break and I'll be back very soon. no screenshots here. Yeah, so there are some there's a hidden input here. Let's see if I can fix it. Sorry. It was a big sneeze. I'm sick. 100% sure. 100%. It's gonna be a long day. So first of all, obviously we go here. Yep. Why is it so slow? And if I inspect this, there are some hidden inputs for sure. Visually hidden, no. Area hidden, no. This hidden, type hidden. There's a page section. There is the API ID API. Let's go to the view components. There's gonna be, well, not this one. Will be a file uploader. Okay, yeah, this is not very smart. Uploader.view with an element which is an ID of API, and there is this thing. Okay. Put ID dataset hidden value. And there is just this one. So if I let's say I do this edit label dataset ID. Is this the DOI? This is this number. Is that the DOI? I think that is a DOI. Dataset identifier. It's called identifier here, and actually I don't care what it is. This is just to shut down the this is just to here shut down this thing. So there's still this is inside API. So I can ignore them. There is this hidden thing. Should be wait, oh my god. But if it's hidden, if it's hidden, it doesn't need a label. So that's fine. A hidden control doesn't need a label. And if this is hidden also, area hidden, let's do hidden area hidden true. So that's That's actually the correct thing to do. And then inside here, because we have also area hidden true, this doesn't need a label. This is totally fine. What other errors do we have here? Missing first level heading. Yes, right. Fit height from area hidden input. Height input area height input. Fine, let's do that. And it's telling me there is any inputs don't have labels. It could be fine to add labels. Yeah, that would be probably the alternative is hidden inputs. Hidden inputs. Yeah, hidden inputs don't have labels. The same example, I think. Can you get out? Yeah, that makes sense. Yeah. I don't care about all that. Okay. Is there some mention of area hidden here? Nope. Yeah, that's right. If I use display none or visibility hidden, then I don't need the area hidden or the HTML5 hidden attribute. So what I want to know is does this element have, well, actually I kind of need this. Well, not this. Click here, click on the code. Hidden, oh my, let's just look at this here. Hidden wait, the codes area hidden true, let's say area hidden there is one here which is not the one. This is another area hidden false. Why do you need area hidden false? That's the default. Label area hidden true. Actually, I want true. There is no area hidden true. I'm so confused. Ah, yeah. Wait, what? Huh? Okay, man. These are the two. No, wait a second. Button span. This is not the thing. This is not the thing either. Input, there you go. There is an input hidden. It has a hidden attribute, so it doesn't need anything if it's hidden. Okay. Where is this supposed to be? Didn't I just add this one? What is going on here? I'm right. I'm revisiting the same items again. Type hidden. It's so infuriating that I'm not able to. Chrome dev tools search for attribute in HTML. Okay, let's try this. Search bar only supports CSS string, CSS selectors. Okay. So this supports selectors, so that means area hidden. This should work then. Oh, this works. Wait, so we have it supports selectors. That means I didn't know that. This is so good. So ID dataset, actually I want this one. Wait, doesn't need to be. I can just do this, I think. Right? Oh yeah, it works. Type hidden area. Oh, I didn't refresh the page, I see. So I think I can just do this. Or actually I want to. Where is it? What am I looking for at here? Okay. I want to see if this is the visibility is none. Display none. Yeah, it's display none. Input type hidden. And then it has an I here, which I'm not sure where it is. Input type hidden I. What is this selector? Let's ask. ChatGPT. What is this CSS selector? In particular, what does the I represent case insensitive. I didn't know that. I had no idea about that. CSS selectors flags. Flag. So flag. It's talking about the important flag. It's the I think I've seen that before somewhere, but it was a long time ago, and like I've only ever seen this once, I think. So okay, so the thing is that this can be hidden. Not needed. Actually, is not needed. So there's actually nothing to fix here. Okay, so let's create a pull request already. Here basically we are undoing, we added an attribute and then we removed it. So let's just undo the last commit. And I didn't push it. And undo last commit locally. I never remember how this works. Do a commit and redo. Git commit is git reset head. Okay. Yeah, basically didn't do anything. Okay. Let's create. Can I create a PR with this? So I start adding my stuff in there. Yep, can. So let's grab the name of the branch of the ticket. Okay. And this name 161697. To do. How to test to do. Let's put to do everywhere. Do, and it's gonna be nothing. Let's just remove these things. Note. Wave audit indicates the presence of unlabeled hidden inputs. Since this have the attribute hidden. They are not visible by assistive technology, and therefore label is not relevant. This error can be ignored. Same goes for any invisible input. Display none. These braces, and then we're gonna save this oops. Okay, note this branch is this branch merges all previous work. This branch merges all previous work done for the full feature. Yes. Hi, mean miner. I've been using Linux for 5 years, and well, I mean, I've never tried to code on Windows, and Mac. I never really tried to code on Mac. I always use Ubuntu. I am having problems with Ubuntu. My laptop is supposed to be quite powerful, has decent specs, but in Ubuntu, when I open too many things, for example, if I have 2 or 3 instances of VS Code open, sometimes it slows down to a crawl, and I have no option but to reboot the computer, and that's not very good. I shouldn't need to do that. My computer should be powerful enough to run VS Code without problems. I've also seen better performance. I have dual boot. I have Ubuntu, but I also have Windows in my computer, and I can see that the performance in Windows is better. It's quite better. Ubuntu, depending on what I'm doing, if there's something computationally demanding, at least a little bit, it freezes. I think it runs out of memory. I think it's the RAM. It could also be the processor, but I think it's the RAM. It just runs out of memory, or maybe that's like the swap partition that's used as additional memory is not big enough. I don't know. Maybe there's some misconfiguration of my side that makes the computer run suboptimally. But in any case, that's something I would need to figure out. Whereas Windows runs fine out of the box, and Mac also, I'm pretty sure it runs fine out of the box. So that's a little bit annoying. So, well, I don't look forward to that, but lately I've been considering try to switch to Windows for coding and just do everything on Windows and let go of Ubuntu. It would also simplify a bit my life, because then I don't have to switch OS when I want to do something which only can be done in that OS. And as to Mac, I just don't like Apple because it's more expensive, it's more closed source, more proprietary. Apple only wants you to buy their cables, which are really overpriced, and I just don't like all that crap. It's like they do things actively to restrict you to use Apple products. And to me, I mean, they are free to do what they want, but to me that's bullshit from a user perspective. They are acting to generate more profit over customer satisfaction, and people still buy that. I don't personally like it, so I prefer not to use Apple. I wouldn't be fanatically opposed to use Apple. Like if there is a very strong reason for me to use Apple to buy a Mac, I would buy a Mac, but I would only do that if I really have no reasonable alternative. I like Ubuntu, but there is some performance issues that I'm seeing, and I've heard also that Ubuntu is bloated, and I've been recommended to use Arc instead, which is another Linux distribution. But yeah, I don't know if Windows is okay for coding, then I don't know why I would not use just Windows. I have Windows installed, and I own a copy of Windows. So yeah, I may switch one of those days when I have some time. Maybe I spend one weekend setting up a developer environment on Windows. And I also in Ubuntu I've seen I have often like Ubuntu with media doesn't seem to be very good. Like audio, mic capture, video, and video recording. Also like video. What's that? Like just video production. I think there are less options, and the options that exist are of less quality. And also, like for example, Photoshop. And also, there's a series of software which are available in Windows and Mac, but not really on Ubuntu. And that's, well, I mean, depending on what's your job or why you need your computer, could be a deal breaker. In my case, it is not really a deal breaker, but it's slightly annoying, to be honest, slightly annoying. So, yeah, Ubuntu is okay, but for the reasons I explained, I'm considering switching. Performance issue is the most annoying, and it may be my fault, but again, it's something I would need to figure out how to fix. Whereas if I just jump into Windows, the problem is not there to begin with. So that's something I value also. Let's see. Yeah, let's continue with the ticket. Yeah, so we have this box. Where is it? Here. This box does not look great, so let's work a bit on the styles of this. I probably want to add some spacing in the last list items. I want to remove the styling, this bullet. Yeah, and I want to have the same color as the paragraph. And yeah, maybe I want to change the colors here a little bit. Let's experiment a little. Let's experiment. There's gonna be a panel. Wait, we have a span. This is so awkward. We have a span which doesn't even fill the space, and we have a panel which, for some reason, overflows. Anyway, I don't care about that now. And this thing is here. Okay, so we have this panel success. We have these styles which we don't want here. So panel tips. What does that do anyway? In this case, if I remove it, if I remove those styles, remove the margin and remove that. If I remove the width, nothing happens. If I remove the oh, okay, the width, I see. This is ridiculous. What's the point of that? Actually, to center it? Yeah, it's not good. Let's get rid of this. Okay, let's just get rid of this. And then what we actually want to do is probably make it fill full width. I guess that's the idea of this span. It's already filling full width. We have this span which is 6. We have a span which is whatever. Oh, and then we have this. Okay, so this is so bad. But we don't care about responsiveness. So I think the idea is that this thing should side, which is okay. This is span 6. It's given some margin left for some reason, even though it's the first section should have a label, otherwise it's just a div. Then we have a header here. Okay, this will fix later. File uploader. Should an as site have a title? A site. No, it does not. Section has an h2. We have span. How does it even work? We have a span 6 here. We have a span 4 here. Total is 10, but I thought this was 12 columns. But it seems like it's 10 in this case. Maybe because it's wrapped in a container. Okay, but then I want this to be full width, which is not really. This is not really great. Let's get rid of these spans things. Let's just completely get rid of the spans. We have a div with a display flex, and then we have min with 100 pixels. Okay. Set some gap. One rem. set something over here. This is not good because we have this. Then for some reason this wait, this section has the margin top to rem, but it doesn't make sense because I know what we want is to have some nice layout of this. Okay, hold on, just messing up with the CSS here. Flex wrap, okay, but don't, why are you wrapping this thing if there is enough space, right? This section, why is it putting the, why is it wrapping? There is enough space. Let's remove the min width. Okay, what about width? It's width. Yeah, don't. Why? If I put here no wrap, just set minimum width, okay. Yeah. Okay, I'm a little. This is just a flex box, and I'm not sure why it's wrap. Why it's deciding to wrap. With 300 pixels. Yep, I don't know. Let's refresh this whole thing. And I think we have uploader somehow. Let's include only the files I'm interested in, which is basically these things, and any .view files also. Yep. Okay, yeah, then interesting. So we have this uploader. We have this panel. See tips panel. Here we're gonna do something. Maybe, we'll see. And so this is not good. And by the way, this button is in a navigation. Wait, what? This is crazy. What is happening here? Page navigation. This is wrapped in a nav, but this doesn't make. It doesn't make any sense. Nav MDM. It's for navigation links. But this is not navigation, man. Let's add the after file upload, button to go to next step should probably does not need to be wrapped in an app element. Yes, I think I maybe should sleep because I'm feeling a bit sick. Let's try to push a little bit, but I don't feel I'm able to be really productive. Yeah, I'm gonna stop. I'm gonna stop. I need to rest because this is I'm like at I'm gonna be like 60% productivity tops. So that's pointless. That's pointless. All right. Have a good day and take it easy.